What's up guys? So right now over here we are having a Scuderia Ferrari watch, the Indian variant. So this costs something around 4,500 plus. So let's just unbox this guy up. So let's have a look on its information, then let's have a look at the watch. So this is the Scuderia Ferrari SF something. So right now over here we do have Scuderia Ferrari branding, so it's on the strap, not on the buckle or what you say. Then Scuderia Ferrari branding over here, then opening, then here is the back case. I hope you all can see it. So this basically says that battery change in 2020. Then we also do have Scuderia Ferrari branding over here, if you can see, I don't know, and nothing over here. There's some unique code. Then let's check out, and also there's a tag Scuderia Ferrari, then the model number and its price, and some more information. Okay, so let's just keep them aside and have a look on the Ferrari booklet. So basically this is a warranty booklet or instruction. No, it's not an instruction manual, it's just a warranty booklet. So nothing fancy, just have a look on watch while being in the hand. Okay, so this is the hand look with entire Ferrari brandings. Peace out.